Welcome to this series of Lab 1. This is the second part of this video. What we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and set up this Ubuntu server. I've connected it here to this switch and to this NAT. The reason we have done that is because I want to update this Ubuntu server and have access to the internet, and this is one way of doing it in GNS3. Let me go ahead and open the console. Alright, so let's do a sudo apt-get update. Let's type our password. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here and let it update. Alright, so the update has completed. So let's follow our steps in order to install the Dhcp server. So we're going to do sudo apt install isc dhcp server. Okay. So let's change our directory to the Dhcp location. Okay, so let's see what's in there. Now we're looking at the file that we're gonna copy, we're gonna move to another file is this one right there, the dhcpd.conf file. So we're gonna move dhcpd.conf to dhcpd.conf back. Okay, we have to do sudo. Alright, the next step, we have to create this file because now this file has turned into this one, so we have to create this one right here. So if we look at what we have inside, we don't have dhcp-conf anymore. We have dhcp-conf.back. So we have to create one. You can use your preferred editor. I'm going to use gedit. So sudo gedit dhcpd.conf. Okay. And here we're going to type a series of instructions that is going to be needed by the DHCP. Alright, so we have completed our different subnets that we have assigned. This up here in this domain name equals the IP address of the server, and then on this and then another important point is to put the option router as your default gateway. So for this subnet mask right here, it's going to be this 20.1, this VLAN 20. And then for VLAN 10, it's going to be .10.1, which is the one that I use here. Okay. So let's if you want to assign a static IP address, you have to put the host, the name. So here we go, the name of the device, and then you would type the hardware Ethernet, which you will go here, and then you would type the fixed address. So this is basically the MAC address. So this is your MAC address. Okay, and of course close it. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take it away. So I'm going to save it to go ahead and set up a static IP address. So let me go here. So we said our server is this one, is 172.16.20.63. Subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. Our gateway is going to be this one right here, 20.1. So it's 172.16.20.1. It's going to be the same for our DNS. So let's apply this. Let's turn it off. Turn it back on. Now let's do our system restart. And then status. Alright, so it's active, it's working. So we have set up our DHCP server. Next, in our next video, I'm going to configure this switch right here, switch 1 and switch 2 if I have enough time. And then we will see how it assigns different IP addresses to these machines here.